I'll tell you how to make the Excel sheet for Theta. So here you can see there is a first name. There is first name. First name can be this B dot Sima, but the first name can be one word. No space is allowed in first name. Similarly, in the last name can be one word, no space allowed in last name. So how to check spaces? Like I given there is space, I given there is another space. So to check spaces, just copy it. I just given two spaces in that. So there is a two word, a space is there, and now you can this space is affected in this also. So what you do, you just copy this, open your notepad, and paste it. Now notepad is an axis editor. So what you do, you just click Control H, so it will find replace. You just click a space and find what, find a space and replace with what, replace with कुछ भी नहीं, nothing. So replace all. So it will remove the space. Like I give the space over here, there is no space, you can see, and there is also space is gone. Like I given a space over here. So Control H, find space and remove with null. Refresh. Now you can see the change there. So similarly, this way you can remove the space in just copy it all and paste it. Now similarly you can do for this as well. I given here is a space, so you just copy both and go to the network and find Control A to remove or replace all. So it will remove your space and make it a single word, and just click over here and paste it. Now this way you can remove the space. So the middle name can be anything, you can add any more number of spaces to the middle name. So this way you can make it and see, the card number is very important. The card number may change to scientific, so you just make it while pasting, you just paste it and there is a value will come. Like I just copy it. While pasting is very, make sure there is a value will come, less value will we have to put. And in gender, the male and female, in female F should be capital and in male M should be capital. And in date of birth, there is a custom format, you can see in more format you can change it to year, month, date. So any date function will change to this type of function. So make sure you have YYYY hyphen MM hyphen DD format. Make sure this format is there and make sure there is no spaces before and after that date. And let's move on to more. This phone number is important. This is the phone number, it will be the single phone number, no slash and add another phone number, no 11 digit number. If that 11 digit number, then no less than 10 digit number, because it will not take as is, it will only take appropriate 10 digit number. So address may be anything and city may be anything, you can write there. If there is no spelling mistake, no problem. The state and countries should be in the, like in, if you are saying Maharashtra, check the spelling in Maharashtra. You just log into the admin panel and check the city check the state. There is a drop down is there in first state, and check what is the spelling written there. Write the same spelling, and pin number should be 6-digit number. Okay, this will be the same phone number. And in message phone number, it should be like same that is mentioned in this phone number. If you are mentioning the message phone number, so you have to make sure that you are putting 10-digit number without any spaces, or without adding any slash and another number. You just have to put a 10-digit mobile number. And in student information, if you are putting a class, if you are putting the class, make sure the class is available in the admin panel as well. Okay, uh, put the class. I will change it for my convenience. If I am creating, as I creating the classes in the thing. And parents name can be anything, and make sure it will be your father, like F will capital, and if a mother, M will be capital, if a brother, B will be capital, and so on. And last, that should be no n should be there, small n should be there, not capital N, it should be small n. So make sure this all things should be checked properly, and make sure you are not making any mistake. If you are making a mistake now, the server will not take, and maybe the database should be crashed. So make sure everything will be fine, everything all right, and send the mail to me, because I don't have more to check, because if I check the same time, I can create that sheet as well. So uh, use the tool, use a notepad as a asset editor. It will not change the design, or it will not change anything. So make sure you use these tools and correct. Thank you.